Hey guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Steelseries Arctis NOVA 5X. Let's get this unboxed. This is the front of the box. This is the Arctis NOVA 5X wireless. The key feature for this specific model is that this supports Xbox, PC, PlayStation, Switch and mobile. You are covering all your devices here, which is great for an all-in-one solution. With 60 hours of battery life, and you get a glimpse of the USB dongle. On the left-hand side of the box, you have some information about the various places that have reviewed this headset. On the right side, you get a glimpse of what's included in the packaging, as well as some of the specs of this headset. At the back, you've got more specifications on the headset. Let's get this unboxed. That's quite cool. At the rear of the box, you have some graphic art. We've got some stickers, the product information guide. This is the USB-C dongle. This is what you're going to be switching between using it on the PlayStation, the PC, versus the Xbox. This is a USB to USB-C charging cable. And this is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Let's take a look at the headset. First impressions. The headset has a good weight to it. The earpads feel nice and soft. This headset has that suspension type headband. Because this is the Xbox variant, you get green accents on the headband. Cool feature is the headset does swivel, so you can have it completely flat. Let's take a look at the button layout. On the left ear cup, you have the retractable microphone, microphone mute LED, volume wheel, and the microphone mute button. On the right ear cup, you have the quick switch button, power button with power indicator LED, chat mix dial, and a USB-C charging port. Next up, here is the microphone test. The headset is attached to the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and that is connected to my PC. So that's going to capture the audio from the headset as I'm talking to you. I'm going to be comparing that audio with my Rode Video Micro that's attached to my camera. The recording settings are going to be kept at its default. Keep an eye out for the audio indicator on screen as I switch between the audio sources. First up, why did I choose this headset? When it came time to making a selection, I had two prerequisites. One, it had to be wireless, and two, it had to be compatible with my PC and PlayStation. I narrowed my choices down to the Odyssey Maxwell, the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro Wireless, the Turtle Beach Stealth Pro, the Steelseries Nova Pro Wireless, and the Steelseries Arctis NOVA 5X. After reading and watching many reviews, and considering that the Razer Black Shark had some weird driver update issue, and there were quality control issues with Maxwell, and that some units had planar driver damage, I dropped these from the list. Next up, I eliminated the Turtle Beach Stealth Pro and the Nova Pro Wireless because I didn't really need the active noise cancelling or swappable batteries. In the end, I landed on the Nova 5X. Now don't get me wrong, some people still had issues with the Nova 5X. However, these kind of paled in comparison to the previous issues I mentioned earlier for the other headsets. With that out of the way, my initial impressions of this headset, this being a lighter headset, I can already tell this is going to be great for those longer gaming sessions or long Teams meetings. I believe Steelseries have also improved the microphone on the Nova 5 Wireless compared to their previous headsets. I have noticed that the volume level on the Nova 5s are louder compared to my Cooler Master that I previously reviewed. Audio performance wise, the highs and mids sound detailed. I do feel the bass is slightly lacking, but considering this is straight out of the box without any tweaking, I'm going to report back once I get the Sonar software installed and had a chance to play around with the EQ. And talking about EQ, this headset comes with over 100 presets The headset also supports Bluetooth, so this allows you to seamlessly switch between your devices. Now all those features sound great, but if battery life doesn't match, that's going to be a letdown. Steelseries reports over 60 hours of battery life on this headset. And the headset is fast charge capable, meaning a 15-minute charge will give you 6 hours of use. Guys, I think that is where I'm going to end off this video. This was my unboxing and initial impression of the Nova 5X Wireless. Stay tuned for my full review, where I will be putting this headset through its paces, and I will be letting you know if this is the best upper mid-range headset that you should be spending your money on. Guys, my name's TJ, this is Tech Chef, and I will catch you on the next one.